Hi everyone, my name is Alyssa Hall. I currently work at my local YMCA as a school enrichment counselor. I work with the kids doing virtual school, and then I'm also working with some of their chronic disease prevention programs as well. I graduated from LR in 2017 with my bachelor's in biology and then joined the MPH program last year. So this year, I didn't set any particular resolutions that are really big goals. I decided to set tiny daily goals. So, what I'm hoping to do this year is take at least 30 minutes a day to myself. So, that means either getting in a workout, I'm aiming for weekly journaling instead of daily. And then also trying to meditate in the mornings a couple days a week for like 5 minutes. So I tried this year to break my resolutions down into more manageable chunks just because life gets crazy, as we all know. But I am looking forward to this class with everyone, getting to work with all of you, and getting to learn from each other. Thanks.